Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today, I just want to add some silver to the giveaway box, go over some stacking terms for gold and silver, anything like that, coins. And if you like fun videos on gold and silver, coins, macroeconomics, please like, share, subscribe. If you like giveaways, please subscribe. I am just going to be adding some silver to the 500 subscriber giveaway box now. A nice little 50-cent Canadian piece. Have the dollar in there already, so I figured I'll add another long necklace and get a bit more silver in the giveaway box basically, so I'll add that in, have a few fun pieces in there already. As I mentioned, the silver dollar, reverse proof maple, so it's starting to add up the weight in the box. So yeah, stay tuned for that. But getting back to the terms and everything here when it comes to stacking, there are quite a few, and I know at first it might seem overwhelming when you get all these terms kind of all at once that you're trying to know. So I guess I'll start off with some of the more basic terms like LCS, and it's basically your local coin shop. It could be a collectibles place, a currency place, a stamps place. They could sell all types of collectibles. It's not just coins all the time. And I did do a video before on just things, a little bits of tips, some pieces of advice if you do go to your local coin shop, so I'll put a card for that on the screen. And yeah, it's pretty nice to go to the local coin shop, though. Some benefits that I found, especially in 2020 last year, was when all the premiums were going insane and people were paying way too much for the gold and silver. I was able to get silver at a pretty good deal still. The bullion dealers really were, it was highway robbery like in 2020 in the spring there. But if you go into the LCS, it wasn't too bad. When people were saying that they're paying like $40 for like $35, $40 US for an eagle, that to me is way too much. Like the LCS, I would have been able to get at maximum, that would be like the maximum price Canadian. It kind of shows with the exchange rates and everything, that's 30% you're getting ripped off basically compared to what it actually is. Because a lot of the bullion dealers, they think, okay, people, this is where everyone's coming, I got the market and everything. Your local coin shops are trying to get you to drive out someplace. It might be less convenient or whatever to some people, but they typically treat you better. They typically have better deals, I find, at least with my personal experience. And now, the next term I guess I'll be going into here will be luster. I mentioned it quite a bit on my channel. So this will be term number 2, I guess. I'll do 3 maybe per video. I don't want to keep them too long. I also don't want to make them 1 minute, but yeah, so you can see the luster here on this coin. I chose this maple. It's a pretty decent shaped maple, even though it just goes in a tube. But with the radial lines, you can also see it quite a bit more. Just the cartwheel effect. You see that line of light going across the coin? That is pretty much the luster of the coin. And it goes by a few different names. You hear it be called the cartwheel effect and stuff like that. A lot of people just call it the shine. But it's really the luster of the coin. And that, to me, this is the most important detail on a coin. The luster. It's typically the first part of the coin to wear off. If you have lots of luster on a coin, I can almost guarantee it will be definitely deemed mint state. Typically that is the first thing to go on the coin, and then you get all the other smaller details kind of fading away after that. And yeah, I'll show you what the cartwheel effect. So as I turn the coin, it just keeps going across. You could angle it and stuff, and it just goes to different angles. That's the cartwheel effect caused by the luster of the coin. And it's basically kind of like how the light shines off the coin, basically. And yeah, as I said, that's probably the most important detail of the coin for me. But everyone likes the shine, and I'm sure that's a very important detail to a lot of people out there. And another thing with coins is you get some come in different versions. You can have the same coin but different version of the same coin. So I'm going to move the maple and the kookaburra. What a nice kookaburra this is. You can see even with the frosted background and everything, you can see great luster on that. I do like the luster of the frosted Perth mint backgrounds. It is something about the Perth mint, they just get that frosting on the back just so nice. But I'll get into what I'm talking about next here is proof. So I'll show you a gold eagle. I only have one proof gold eagle, but so that would be the standard gold eagle. You can see the shine off the back, you can see the luster on it. It seems pretty standard and everything because this is the standard gold eagle, the standard bullion coin. But now I'll show you what's called a proof, and really pay attention to the background. I'll show you one more time, just pay attention to the background. You can see it's a flat background kind of. The light is kind of just gold and stuff like that. It's as you'd kind of expect on a gold coin. But trying to get that back to focus for you guys. There we go. Little tip, if you guys are on YouTube, you could just making videos, you can put something in front of your camera and it'll get things back into focus for you. I do like to help other channels out and stuff. But now I'll show you what's called a proof. And I'm going to put my face right behind the camera for this so nothing shows. Not face reveal. You see how it's a mirror background? I'll kind of tilt it. You can see how it's shining all different colors there. Now it's just going to the black camera. Then I'll flip it. It's going to be upside down, but same on the other side. And yeah, as you can see, the proofs typically have more luster. You can see the light going straight across Lady Liberty there. It's almost white because of the shine on it. So proofs do have a bit more luster on them. We'll put that off to the side though. And then you see how it's not really coming up with all those other colors. It's on a mirror finish on the back. And that mirror finish that you get with the proof is really the difference maker. And then there are reverse proofs and things like that. So the proofs, it's not just, oh, there's one type of proof. I'll show you the reverse proof. I'll grab the maple I have here. The kookaburra there is actually pretty much the same thing, but you see how they frosted the back, and then they made the front a mirror finish, the actual image that you want to see. So that'd be it's a proof, but just done in reverse, basically. And I am a huge fan of the reverse proofs. One of basically my favorite style of coin. And yeah, you can see with the reverse proof there, how it's just, they switched what they made like a flat finish and frosted or whatever, and then they make the front design like the kookaburra there is super shiny. The queen's face is super shiny. And that's kind of how proofs work, and the different versions of proof coins. Now this one here is probably my favorite coin in my stack, but yeah, I'm a huge fan of those reverse proofs. Has super nice luster. And yeah, so LCS is local coin shop. And I did do a video on some benefits to going there as opposed to Bullion dealers. Check that video out. And yeah, you could also see me unbox this, because I didn't actually think that this was going to be a proof coin. I thought it was going to be just a standard 1/4 ounce American Eagle, just like this one here. And then I was pretty surprised to get a nice shiny proof. But I'm pretty happy about that, getting a random year Eagle, and you end up getting a proof. And then, yeah, just is basically it. Though the luster, proof, LCS, luster will be the shine, LCS local coin shop. Proof is just the finish on the coin basically. And it comes in a variety of types. Yeah, there's standard basically, or reverse proof, and then the proof. Kind of sums it up. Hope you guys enjoyed. And if you guys want to know different terms or anything like that, please comment down below and I will get a video out for you. I'm more than happy to take requests for videos, anything like that. I have fun making these videos. Hope you guys have fun watching. And yeah, if you guys have any requests, anything, please let me know. I always like to hear from you. And that basically sums it up. Stay positive. See you next time. Thanks. Bye.